How many electric cars do you see in your locality now? And how many do you see on the road? And if you're wondering where all these electric vehicles are made, then you have landed at the right place. Today we bring you the EVs that are made in India, which means they contribute to our country in more than one way of just cutting out pollution. First is Tata Motors. With its EVs like Tata Nexon and Tigor, Tata has managed to establish a strong foundation in the electric vehicle market. Tata EVs are well equipped and come at a price range which suits the Indian buyer, hence making the shift to electric a little more convenient for Indians. Mahindra offers electric vehicle solutions not just in cars, but commercial vehicles as well. The Indian car manufacturer has been doing this for 2 decades now, as it started with its electric car Reva in the year 2021. Mahindra's EVs are definitely worth it. Third is the bus manufacturer, which helped India move towards a greener and cleaner public transport, Electra Green Tech. The bus manufacturer has bagged various contracts from state governments and plans to expand its manufacturing to electric autos and electric commercial vehicles. Fourth is India's legendary bus manufacturer Ashok Leyland. They have moved into the manufacturing of electric buses, but however have shifted this division to its step-down subsidiary Switch Mobility Automotive Limited, SMAL, to focus more on its core business. Fifth is Ather Energy, the maker of India's first smart electric scooter. Not just this, Ather has managed to expand its charging division across 21 plus cities and over 220 locations in India. Ather Energy has impressed the legends of the two-wheeler industry, Hero MotoCorp, which is why today they have a substantial investment from them. Some of the other electric vehicle manufacturers in India are Okinawa, a two-wheeler company, Ola Electric, which started from two-wheelers, Hero Electric, Maruti Suzuki, and Hyundai. So, everyone is getting on board the EV train and driving it into the future. As they say, electric is the way ahead because it can bring major changes in terms of decreasing vehicular pollution and helping make this world a cleaner, healthier place for us all while fighting climate change. Plus, EVs are super cool too, aren't they? For more such weekly, trendy content, follow this space. Until next time, ride easy, ride EV.